I'm glad to have with me Raghav Gupta, sir, a distinguished IRS officer and also a mighty Jaipurian, if I may call you that, sir. Starting your journey from Jaipuria, coming back to Jaipuria, do you feel it's like homecoming of sorts?
Absolutely. I would say whenever I have the opportunity to come to Jaipuria, whether it's Lucknow or Kanpur, I feel I'm connecting with my past. And I always maintain that school has a very important role to play in your life, in your career. And I feel that the value system which Jaipuria has given me, along with my family, of course, has really shaped me to what I am today.
From your time in Jaipuria, how do you see the education landscape evolving when you come back to Jaipuria, or in general, the Indian education system in general?
That's a great question, Hans. So I think one of the key differences which I feel in my education and the present system is the advent of technology and AI, and I think that has changed a lot of things, and that has, in fact, it is still changing things because it's so new. And even though we're trying to integrate it with our studies and curriculum, but we have to be very sure that these tools are used as just that. They are a means, not an end. So we should be able to appreciate that they are just a medium for education, and therefore they should be used with restraint. That we should use it, but at the same time ensure that the human element, the human value system, does not get compromised.
How important do you think the bigger institutions, somewhat like Jaipuria, have a role to play to ensure that kids in the smaller cities too, probably a kid studying in a small city of Debyapur or Nanpara, also learns AI as well as someone sitting in Delhi?
Absolutely. That's also a great question. So I think that's where schools like Jaipuria, which are at the interface of both metros as well as tier 2 cities, can actually make a difference, because Jaipuria is well equipped with that kind of information, and with these partner schools it can help with the training and these kind of refresher courses which are going through. So the teachers will be armed with the latest technology, and they'll understand how to apply AI. It should not be a mystery to them.
A message for the young Jaipurian, someone who looks up to you, both Raghav the civil servant and also Raghav the photographer. So what is your message for both of them?
Suggestion or recommendation is that always keep one hobby or passion alive. That will help you sort through your troubles and ensure that you perform well at work also, because you remain fresh, you remain active, and your brain is constantly looking at new challenges. So typically what happens in work is we get stuck in a routine and we start doing the same thing which is expected. But if we have something different other than the work which defines us, then we can actually help that grow as a person and actually perform well both in the extracurricular sphere as well as work.
Perfect, sir. Cheers. Thank you so much for speaking to us.